Hello, my name is Syed Ahmed and today I'm going to be introducing myself. Since 2014, I have been working in a customer-centric role at Danata, the world's fourth largest ground handling organization. My current role at Dubai International Airport has given me tremendous exposure in a multicultural environment. I have a bachelor's in international business along with working knowledge of softwares like Microsoft Excel and SQL. Furthermore, I am pursuing my professional certification in Lean Six Sigma Green Belt. I believe education and growth never stops. I was born and raised in Dubai. In my free time, I like to engage myself in self-improvement activities, which is why I am a member of Toastmasters. Toastmasters encourages individuals to learn leadership and communication skills. Lastly, for direct exposure in supply chain and product management, I am also involved in operational duties in a startup e-commerce consumer goods business. Thank you for taking time to listen. I look forward to hearing from you.